Well, here it is. Crazy greenhouse solar power exhaust fan system is up and running. Check it out. Got a 100-watt panel hooked up. Everything all nice, waterproofed, conduit running to both boxes. Back here, got exhaust fans blowing right now. You can hear it. One on each. Just take a peek inside. See, I got a lot of lettuce and spinach, kale coming up. And there you have it. The computer fan, on and off switch for the whole system. And then up beneath here, see if you can see it. Got a thermal switch, controls the fan, turn on and off. On at 80, off at 60. Same setup in both boxes. Looking forward to it.